little background to this video. So I have not posted here in about 2 weeks because of lack of content. I don't want to just post a bunch of junk even though I normally do. So this is just the things that I have filmed in the past 2 weeks or so in just a short little video here. So that's just what's going to happen in this video. Just trying to get you up to speed because there's going to be about 3 or 4 different things in this video. So let's get into it. We're building the burnout pad here on the snow. We're trying to pack it down a little bit. So, I'm already starting. Basically trying to make it into like a sheet of ice. So, yeah, it's already getting a little slick here. I don't know, he's almost kicking it up too much. We deemed we're going with the burnout pad. And she's a ripper. Got a great burnout pad. So, he wants me to come in here and stand in the center. Still doing nice one around me. Bit of a snow cap over there. Here's the fun part. Big old cloud of steam. It's gonna be boiling for a little bit.